Sonto, you're welcome to today's class. Hello, Sonto, you're welcome to today's class.
Yeah, thank you. Good evening.
Good evening. Please, when you are coming to class, always try to mute. I think there was a distraction of noise, okay, at the
Okay.
beginning of the class. So, what was our last topic? So, can you just briefly explain and also give me summary of what we learned and also give me some details of what we have learned so far?
Okay. We did join last on Sunday last class. When we talk about the inner join, the left join, and right join, and the cross join. That's basically what we did last week and last class.
So, what did we discuss about?
Well, so I didn't get your question.
So, what did we discuss about?
We did join. I joined. So
So,
you discussed.
what did we talk that join is like? Explain for us.
Okay. The join is where we try to join um, a table, two tables with a known quorum. Let's say they have kind of same quorum in the different tables. And for inner join returns record that matches the both quorum. It returns only the records of that matches the record in the both quorums. While left join and right join returns all. You know, can you hear me?
Hello, can you hear me, Sonto?
Yes, I can hear you.
So, I did not hear what you said.
I said join. The join is a method whereby two different tables are merged together using using a unique column. Like let's say column table A and table B must have a, let's say, if assuming you are working with a let's say a task or a data set that have job ID. So it simply means that table A and table B must have a column that have job ID. Then we
Okay.
mark them using the job ID.
Yeah,
So
when we talk about primary key,
primary keys, yes.
yeah, I think
And
you said that a table must have a primary key where you can link or can have an identical column, right?
yes, yes.
So continue. We also talk about what again?
And from there we did types of join.
Okay, what is the
We
type
have
of?
we have the inner join, the left join, right join, and cross join.
Yeah, we also discussed about one join, which you did not mention.
I didn't hear you.
We also discussed about one join, which you did not mention. I think the self join.
The self join, yes. And also self join.
We talked about self join. And what did we say that self join is?
Okay, self join is where we add different tables. Abi?
Yeah, we add a different table based on what condition.
Yeah, based on condition, yes. Yes, based on condition. Yeah, like select from, well, for example, we select from city where where the ID is equals to one. Yeah,
Okay.
I think we are doing two tables now. For example, now table A and table B now. We will say select all from table one dot. We mention the column we want it to select from, and table B mention the column we want it to select from. Where the we now use the where clause where something is equal to something. I don't know if I'm making
Yes.
sense.
Yes. You're making sense. You're making sense. I think you learned a lot last class, and I believe today we are going to continue on where we stop. And I want you to stay focused and grab what we are going to discuss today. Okay.
Okay.
So we are going to talk about union. That is our today's class. We are going to look at on union. So union is uh, is an operator. Union is an operator. So what do you understand by union? The word new union.
Adding two things together to become one.
Yeah, union. Okay. That's your own definition. So let me give you my own definition. So union is like joining or allowing or combining two data sets by side by side. Okay,
Okay.
we are joining two data sets side by side. Okay, okay. Now union allow you to like stack one data on top the other on top the other. So I think it puts differently. It puts it differently. Okay. So union
Okay.
allow you to let's say write two separate select statements. It allow you to write two statements called select. You can write select two times. You can select two tables. So union help you to select two table. Okay.
Okay.
So we are going to see some of these definition. First of all, we said that union operator allow you to select two table. We can select two times and join it with a union. So
Sorry,
this
can I ask you a question? Sorry to interrupt. Select two tables. Is it two different tables or the same table?
we can use the word select two times
Okay. Okay.
to
Okay.
select different tables.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So we can use the word select. Okay, so let's see an example of what I mean. So let's see the film and actor data set. So I'll select this, I'll copy this, and let me copy this cut. I will paste it here. Now we want to select this. So we are going to use killer. Sorry, we are going to use the word data set. Let's see word. Now we have used the word. Let's see film. Okay, and let's see city. Now we have city. We are going to copy city and replace it here. So we are going to add a country. We have city, then we copy this country, city. Which other table we have? Okay, country. Now we are going to select country. Okay, these are the two table we are using. We are using to practice our union. So the country, now let's see the country. Now this is the country. So we are going to merge it with the union, and we said that the union operator is allow you to select multiple times. like you can select two times. You can apply the select two times. So let's see example. Now we are going to write it. This is the syntax. We are going to say select. The first select is select, then the column. The column name. What is the column name? We are going to
What?
no. What is the column name we want to select? So we are going to select a column name from, uh, let's say name, or I'm coming. Let's see what we are going to select from city. So okay, now let's select name. Name. We are going to select name from city. We are going to select name. Select name from city. Name from city. Okay. Now we are going to use the word union. Now we are going to apply this select again. We are going to apply this select. Then now this is our second select. We are going to select it from the second table country. Let's see country. Let me copy it country and we'll paste it here. So let's see which other column we are going to add. So let's see from country what column we are going to add. Okay, let's see life expectancy. Let's copy life expectancy. Copy this. Let's see their life expectancy. Paste it here. Now let's run this and see how we can make use of the union. So this is it. This is the union. Hello.
Okay. Yes, I can hear. I'm following.
So this is the union, and we have selected and make sure that we join it with the union. But something is not giving me the output. So let's see an example. Let's see the city again. Now let's see district, country districts. Copy this. Okay, let's see name. Sorry, name. Now, now this is the name. This name join the tables together. Okay, join the table, make it union. Okay, I joined the two uh, name from the city to the country. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Okay, now let's see or union or. Now let's put or union or. Let's see. This is all the union. Okay, let's see the difference. Now, did you see when we screw, it ended as Zimbabwe and or and Zambia. So let's see something. Let's see when we remove the or and run. Let's see this. Did you see there's something? Is there any difference? Hello, is there any difference?
I can't see any. I didn't see any difference. Huh?
Okay, I am trying to look out on something. So this the results, yeah, the results of one statement display in the same table as the results from the other statement. So they will all display in one table. Okay, due to
Okay.
the data is kind of large, you might not see it very well. Okay, so let's see something. Let's see if we can identify some of these. Uh, okay. Okay, now let's use other column so that let's differentiate it. Okay, now let's see country code. Let's see country code. Let's merge it with country code so that we can see the different. Okay, country code. I'm coming. Sorry, there's nothing like country code. Okay. Okay, let's see population. So let's see population so that we can see the difference. Let's say population. I just want us to see difference. Okay.
Okay.
Did you see the difference?
Yes.
He added them at what? The bottom.
Name. Mm.
So let's see union or it will apply it to all of them. So I believe you understand the difference between the union and the union or. So let's go to the next, which is we are going to look at on what the in operator. So what do you understand by the word in?
IN.
Yes, in.
Okay. Um, in operator to check if something is inside something now.
Okay. Now remember we talked about in and any and all in Python. Any and all. Do you remember any
Any.
and all? Yes. So still the same way in Python in SQL we have any and all we have in operator. So the in, like, we can use it to search. We can use it to search. Okay, it's
Okay.
we can use it to search. For example, let's say the in operator allow you to specify multiple value where a clause okay. Now for example, you are at home and I want to use a real life scenario to explain the word in. Okay,
Okay.
now you are in a real life scenario now. So you are at home. Now you have your brother or your neighbor or someone close to you. You can tell the person to check if uh, something is in in a particular location. Okay, so it's just like addressing or checking of something. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's see in. Now, for example, let's see an example. Okay, let's use a sales data set. We can say select from sales where country in India or where country in. Do you understand? Like checking a particular area or location or a geographical area or any something word you want to check. So let's see something. Okay, let's work on something. Okay,
Okay.
I think we have explained a lot. So let's use the country. Let's see the country, and let's see the column we are going to use. Now, let's check if there's Nigeria in this country, in the country name. Okay, there's Nigeria. Okay, let's see if there's Nigeria, and now we are using the in now, the in clause. So we are going to say select, or we are going to say select all from what? Where are we selecting all from?
From country.
Yeah, from country. So we want to select from country, and where where what? Where country? Where country? Okay, we are working with country
Mm.
now. Where name? We are going to say where name and in
And
in what?
Asia.
Hmm.
The,
What are
not Asia, sorry. Nigeria.
where name? Where name in okay? Let's say Nigeria. So let's see an example. Let's see this example and to see if it works correctly.
It won't work.
Where name, okay?
That's a mistake. So you don't put from.
Okay, okay, sorry, from. Thank you. Yeah, good. Did you see it?
Yes.
It went straight to where? The country, and search from Nigeria, and it it gave us this.
Mm.
Did you see it? It gave us this.
Yes. Mm.
And did you see the head of state was Olusegun Obasanjo? I think this was uh, an old data set, okay? This was an
Mm.
old data set. And look at it. This is how you can search. I believe you understand this.
Yes, yes.
This is how you can search using the in. And we in Python we talked about any uh so this word is our normal English language or normal language. When we talk about high level language, uh, when our first programming language came out, which was kind of difficult, I think was assembly language. Is that programming language was kind of difficult, which it was using signs and symbols. So I think it was using signs and symbols. Due to some upgrade, I think they break it down to high level language, which uses our natural language. I also want you to know that as a programmer, you need more research and more studies to improve your work. Okay,
Okay.
so so let's see some other operators like the any and all, the any. Okay, we have exist. Before we go to any and all, let's see exist. Okay, uh, okay, what do you understand by the word exist?
If I think we are trying to look for something now. Let's say, let me use this table for example, where we can say we want to know. For example, I want to know if Nigeria exists in that table. Is in that table.
Yeah. Yeah, good, good. If we want to know if a particular item exists in a particular table, yes. Okay, now let's see the word exist. Okay, we can the name of the column. Okay, okay. Uh, we can say select the name of the column from a particular table name where exists uh, a selected column from a selected. Okay, let's see something. Okay, at the beginning, let's check if our database exists. Now, remember at the beginning when we are starting this program, I introduced you about exist when we say that if a particular database exists, then it should not create a database. But if it existed before, if it existed before, it should not create the database. But if there is not existed, it should create that database. That is a method we can use, we can imply to give us this results. Okay, now let's see some example. Now let's say select all from where a particular table, a particular column from name, let's say name. So now from where? From a country, from country, eh, from country. Okay, now we write from name, select name, sorry, select name from country, then from country, let's break it down. Now we are going to say where exists. Now we are going to say where exists. Then in bracket, this we are going to look for let's see something like this. Uh, Population. Like let's copy this. Uh, okay. Under population, okay, now where exists, now we are going to select a particular column called population, and now from where, from the country, then now we are going to pass in a condition. We are going to pass in a condition. Now we are going to say where what, we are going to say um, now let's see the condition. Let's see our country. So let's see the country. Country. Let's see Nigeria. So and coming. So we are going to say where code. I'm looking for the code of Nigeria. Okay, where code is equal to NGA. Now we are going to say where code is equal to NGA. Where code equal to what? NGA. Now let's see this. Now did you see it selected the column? Hello.
Yes, I'm with you.
Did you see
I'm trying to.
the code? What do you understand by this?
So I don't understand it. Oh.
Okay, I will explain. That's why I'm here, for you to understand it very well. So I'm here to guide you and take you through this journey. Okay, now look at this code very well. In our country table, okay, in our country table, let's view our country table again. Now let's view our country table, and let's see. Now let's see our country table. This is our country table.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we want to select the column of name. Eh? We want to
Yes.
select the columns of name. Now the column of name from country. Remember, this data set is country. Now we want to select the
Mm.
column of name. Now we want to use the exist. Now we gave it a condition of exist. You say where exist, then we pass in again. We give it a location of where we want it to give us a column. Now we said that it should select from population. We should select population from country where the code is NGA. Now in this code, remember we want to select name, this
Mm-hmm.
name, this
Mm.
single name
Yes.
column. Now if we remember, we have different way to select, okay, but this one is kind of taking us to the long process, but I want to explain it using the exist. Now we want to select the name. Now we set from the country. Now this country table, so where exist, now we pass in a condition where we say from population. From this population, from this
Mm-hmm.
population from the country, still the same country data table, where
Mm.
NGA. Now automatically it will pick out this name for us. I don't know if you understand it.
Okay. Yes. 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 Yes.
So explain it to me in the way you understand it, so that we can break it down and also dive in to the right
Okay.
part.
Basically, I think the query is trying to correct names to print out names
Yes, we want to print out names.
based on to know if I'm trying to understand the second code. This select population from country where code
Okay,
is. I thought.
okay, okay. Now, for example, we want to select that column name. Now, we don't know if that name exists in that particular table. Do you understand?
Okay.
We don't know
Yes.
if it existed, if name existed. Now,
Okay.
we have to check if it existed. Now, we have to call out the function of exist. Now, we have to pass in some syntax, like some process where you have to check for us. Then if you check that condition is true, it will print out the name.
But I sorry. I think I thought this second code, this select population from country where I thought it is going to print out one a column.
Yes, one column. It will print out a column. Look at it. I just run this country for us so that you will see the data set very well.
Okay.
Look at it. Once I run it, it will print one column. I believe you understand
Sorry,
it.
sorry. Don't be angry. Can you run this second code? This select operation from country where code? Just only that one. Start from the
Yeah,
select. No,
from
from
here.
the select. No,
o-
after the
Yeah,
after the parenthesis.
after the parenthesis, from here,
Just select population from country. So don't go the other side. Go the other way.
from here.
So I want you to start from select population from country where code is equal to NGA. Just run that particular code for me.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I think it will not run. Oh, okay. Yes, look at it. It will run due to we already closed it. This is a population.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So what do you understand? What are you trying to do now?
I'm trying to understand what happened there now.
Oh, that is what I'm explaining for you. Okay. See, look at
Okay.
it very well. Look at it. Now let me run this country code again. Okay. I want you to know that we don't know if name existed.
Okay.
Just like we are using, for instance, we don't know if name existed. Okay.
Hmm.
Now we wrote a code that it should select name from the country. We don't know if it's existed. Now we said that where exists. Now we now give it a condition that where exists to check if it exists. That is why we say where exists to check if it exists. But if it exists, now we gave it a direction to go, to follow. Now, this direction, we said that select the population. Let's check from the population.
Hmm.
From the population. And remember, when we want to select, we must have a key. The code is the key.
Okay.
Code is the key. Now, from population, check the key NGA. If NGA is there, Nigeria is there.
Hmm.
Remember, we have key. The key NGA is Nigeria. If Nigeria is there, meaning that the name column exists.
Okay. Huh. I don't understand.
Good. So you understand it now.
Yes.
So that is the problem, and we have solved it. Okay, now did you notice that when we select it, it brought out the population, meaning
Yes.
there is population in that in that data set, and there is NGA. That's why the code ran, and
Yes.
name exists because we have the key NGA, which is Nigeria. So the name Nigeria exists,
Yes.
and name exists. Okay, so now let's run it. It produces it, and name exists. So I think uh, you are good to go. So let's move to the other, which is we are going to look at on the earning and or. We are going to look at on earning and or. So earning and or. What do you understand by earning, and what do you understand by or?
We have the or means we're trying to pass in two conditions either, and it will not meet the both condition. If it meets one condition, it can run. That's
Okay,
all.
okay, okay,
Then the
okay.
any if any I don't understand any. I can't explain any, sir. Sorry, I can't explain the any.
Okay. Now, or means, for example, now let's see this. The any and the or operator allow you to perform a comprehension between a single column, okay, a single
Okay.
column value and a range of other value and a range of other value. Okay. For example, the any return a boolean value as a result. It produce a boolean value as a result. And also it return true if any of the subquery value meet the condition. If any of them meet the condition, it will return true. But any means that the condition will be true if the operation is true for any of the value in the range. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see examples of any or. Okay.
Okay.
Now, uh, so we are going to say, let's use what? A country. Let's use country. Let's use country. Okay, now let's use this. Let's use this again. Okay. I believe with this you'll be able to understand very well. Now, let's select all from name. Okay, name. Now we are going to say what? Where what? Select all from what? Name. Okay, sorry. Select all from country. Where you are going to say where what? Where
Where
uh
content, where code is equal to, where
okay,
code is equal to.
okay. Where code is equal to what? Okay, now where code is equal to, I'm trying to catch the syntax. Okay, now we are going to say where. Let's see our country. Let's see our country again. Now we are going to say where. Okay, where where continent. Okay, now let's see where continent is equal to Europe. So let's say something. I'm trying to fixing the position of what will give us a good result. Okay. Uh, where I'm coming country. Okay, where life or population is any. Let's say where population population is equal to any. Okay. Now where population is equal to any. Okay. Now we are going to draw out a bracket. Now we are going to draw out a bracket. Then we'll pass in. We are going to pass in or now we are going to pass in a condition. Okay, we are going to pass in condition. Mm, we are going to pass in a condition. So where population is this? Now we are going to say that population, select population, okay, population, and we are going to say From here, we are going to say from country, from country. We are going to say from country, from country. Let's say okay, from country. Now we have collected it from country, and we are going to say now where where what we are going to pass in a condition. We are going to say where life expectancy, where life expectancy is equal to 76.1. Let's say that okay, now where, let's copy this, where where life expectancy is equal to I'm coming, let me break this down. Where life expectancy is greater or, so let's see the lesser okay, 50.2, let's say 50.2 or 46.7, where life expectancy is equal to greater than 46.7, 46.7, and close bracket, comma. Let's see this. Good. Did you see it? Did you see our code? I hope you understand this.
Yes.
So explain the code for us.
Okay. Because it means that, let me start from the subquery. It said point select population from country where life expectancy is printed all the it printed all the population where the life expectancy is greater than 46.7. Then it now came and checked the other query, select name from country where population. If there is a population that meets this condition, any of these conditions, it will print it.
Yes, good. Now let's see the or. Now none of them matches it, and it did not print it.
Oh, all. I was thinking you were saying all.
It's all now.
All.
Yeah,
O-R. I was thinking it's O-R.
not OR.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. Now I believe you understand the ending and all.
Okay, yes.
Now, so I think we are going to know the last topic for this course, and which is what, if non function, if
If
non
not,
yes, if non function, and that is the last topic, if non function. So, what do you understand by if non?
if none.
If non,
No,
okay,
no.
you don't have idea.
Yes.
Okay, now the if non function lets you to return an alternative value if an expression is none. Okay, I believe you
Okay.
understand what I'm saying.
Your alternative value.
Yeah. So if non function allow you to return an alternative value if an expression is none. So it will allow you to return an alternative value. Okay. Now
Okay.
we are going to say select what from country. Select from country. If not, uh, okay, I'm trying to fix in. the particular syntax which you will understand very well. So now, so let's see something. We're going to say select all select from select country. Okay, select country. Okay, select country. Okay. Now, if not known, if not known, okay. Now, if not known, so we are going to look out if not known. Or so not country or name. So sorry, name, name. Okay. Name. Now name. Now then we are going to say from where? From country. Let's say from country. Okay. Now from country, then we can let's see if not let's see our country again. Now so let's select what uh let's select Nigeria. Okay. Nigeria. I'm coming if my code will run. Let's select Nigeria, comma, and let's say if there's Ghana, there will be Ghana. Is there Ghana? Is there Ghana?
I don't think so.
There's no Ghana. Okay, there's Ghana. If Ghana,
I don't know.
let's say Ghana, okay, Ghana, okay, Ghana, okay, let's say Ghana as, let's say West Africa, what? Let's say as what? West Africa, West Africa. So let's see this. Um, okay, no, sorry. Let's let's see underscore West Africa. Sorry. And my error, where is my error coming from? Okay. And let me
Is it
remove it.
double quotation?
And if not, no. Double quotation. Oh, sorry.
Mm.
Sorry,
Then
sorry. Error is coming from here. Now look
the
at it.
comma.
Yes. Let's run this. Look at it. Do you understand?
Mm-mm. No,
Ah?
no.
Okay, now we selected name. with selected name,
Mm.
and which it produces all it produces all the country, okay, all the country
Mm.
name. Now we said if none like the name and Ghana, it should select it as it should create a particular column and insert it as Nigeria. It's kind of confusing. So let me break it down. Okay,
Yeah.
let me break it down. Let's see something. Let's come out this and let's do this. Okay. Now let's see this. Let's run this. It did not run. So, are you with your laptop?
Mm-mm.
Okay. I want you to have a good understanding of this. Okay. Let
Okay.
me search. Let me search Google for you. Okay, Google. Let's see. Uh, let's say if none. I'm coming. I will share my screen. So you can tell me what you understand by this. What do you understand? Did you are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
So what do you understand?
If the if now function is in my SQL is a control function. Control control flow function used to handle null values by providing an alternative value. If now expression alternative value.
So what do you understand?
I don't understand it too.
Okay. Now this expression, if not function, now we want to check now in name. Now we want to check in name. If we have Nigeria, it should create a column for it, right?
Mm.
But if there is another, we created alternative value. If there is another alternative value, it will pick one. Okay, now let's see this. Let's go back to our let's go back to our workbench. So now look at this. Look at this code where and this is our expression and this is our alternative value. And both of them are in what? In name, right?
Mm.
They are in name now.
Yes.
They are in name. Now, since Nigeria is an expression in name and Ghana is an expression, so it will pick Nigeria. But if there is none, if Nigeria is none, if okay, if this expression is none, now let's see something. Let's see. Let's use Sonto. Let's use Sonto. Okay, let's run it.